Okay.
Because I feel like they're, when Spider-Man defeats the tarantula or whatever,
Right.
you get your answer, but then you also need to know, where he's going from there.
Right.
And could I have made more of a 70s reference than that?
Right.
But, in my mind, it's all Ross Andrew.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But,
That's all right thinking.
But I think it's definitely both, because you don't just want to move forward. You do want something that says the hero, like I'm here for this hero to win the day.
Right.
The way you go see a movie and say, I want that resolve.
Yeah, and actually, that kind of leads into my next question, which is, historically, TV and comics depended on the illusion of change. And you're part of a generation that challenged that with arc-based storytelling and things where there is change. They graduate from college, they move on. Buffy moves to San Francisco. Do you feel like that was a good move in retrospect?
It was good for us. It was good for the kind of storytelling that I want to do. Is it right for all comics? I don't think so. Some things, really should stay the same. Reed Richards should always have exactly this much gray.
Right.
But what the problem is, when something goes on for as long as most things have, then they're just looking for any change.
Right.
They reboot it or they do something drastic because they can't write the same thing over and over.
Right.
TV shows don't run since the 60s.
Right.
Whereas some of these comics have.
Right.
But with the newer stuff, the more graphic novelty stuff, when you get a story that is just about the progression of the story, for me, it's harder to dive in than when I know this guy is going to have this power and that's the thing. It's a different experience, and for me, I feel like comics, that sort of comfort food that I refer to a lot of recent TV as, I actually want from comics.
You want the comfort food?
A little bit. I want to see the costume. I want to see the power. I want to know what the stitch is, and then from there, I like to unfold. Now, there's a lot of exceptions, like with the Luna Brothers, The Girls, which was a book that I never knew from issue to issue what was going to happen. I just adored it.
Oh yeah.
And but when I think about creating comics, I think more in terms of why are we coming back? What do we love? Not what can I change?